Hello, everyone. Today I want to tell something we all have but often take for granted. Time. Time is our most valuable resource, yet it's the one thing we can't get back once it's gone. Think about it. Every second that passes is a moment you'll never live again. So why do we waste it on things that don't matter? Scrolling endlessly on our phones, putting off dreams, or letting fear and doubt hold us back. Let me tell you this. Every great achievement in history started with someone choosing to use their time wisely. Success isn't about having more hours in the day, it's about what you do with the hours you have. If you have a dream, start working on it now. If there's a skill you want to learn, don't wait for the perfect moment, because it will never come. The perfect time is now. Remember, your future self depends on what you do today. So take control, plan your day, set your goals, and cut out distractions. Surround yourself with people who inspire you and push you to grow. Because in the end, it's not the years in your life that matter. It's the life in your years. So stop wasting your time. Make every second count. Your dreams, your goals, and your happiness are waiting for you. Go grab them. Thank you, and remember, the clock is ticking, so let's make the most of it.